Okay, I just wanted to show you, this is the same thing with the two flybacks on the one ZVS, but this time we're going to add frequency and duty cycle to it. So I went ahead and hooked that up right here, and we're going to run at 2.79 on the frequency. Right now I have it at 0 duty cycle. As I turn the duty cycle on, you'll see the two sparks start up, and you'll hear the frequency as well. So here we go. And we're at 59% on our duty cycle now. And it gets a lot louder. We'll go up to 80. Get up to 97 and went down in volume. So right around, let's see, right around 50%. You hear that? I think the inconsistencies in this right here, you see it sparking a little over. So, here we go, guys. I'm going to show you the circuit here. I don't know well you can see this right here, but this is what I was running at, 2.79. Okay, so this right here, we just have a power pack. Let me pull it out and I'll show it to you right here. Let me see that. We are looking at 12 volts, 2.5 amps to run this little guy here, okay, on the low side. Okay, it comes off here. Two 10 ohm resistors, okay, you can use a 20. I just didn't have one. Okay, I got this right here, this little guy. It actually, these MOSFETs don't blow off. These are power MOSFETs, so they handle more power than the a regular one of these things here. Okay, these things, I must blow up these MOSFETs like a billion of them. Junk. Went to this, it's just a simple switch, so it takes the power, puts it from here to here, and drives it into here. Okay, and you look, it's just a regular ZVS, 2 in, okay, power, and then 3 out. So the way this is wired, okay, the top one, the one that goes over the top, I always do in red, and this one that comes on the bottom I do in black, just for my sanity. Okay, so that when I wire them up here at the bottom, you can see the two reds are on the outside, that's the one that goes over top. The two black wires are going on the inside, that's the one that goes on the bottom. And then, try to move this out of the way, I don't think I can. But all I have in here, oh, come on, you can do it. Get that damn thing off of there. Bunch of wires, man. So you can see in there, I just got another flyback in there and just wired up. I should get a bigger box and divide it so I can run this thing. But it does what we want it to do. So we'll just go back, put it back together. Okay, hang this offside. I don't like that being right on it. So we'll just run a test one more time, and we'll see, you know, show you again one more time just what we're dealing with here. So we got to plug in the power pack here. Okay. So there you go. So just so you guys know, this is an oscillating circuit, okay? Meaning, when I say oscillating, there's two MOSFETs in here driving it. So what it does is it does the flyback in here, then it does the flyback in here. Then it does this one, then this one. So I'm creating an oscillating circuit between the two. You may wonder why I'm doing this. Well, my graviflyer, I noticed that when I hook the positive up to the top disc and the negative up to the bottom disc, there's no connection between the two. I don't get the frequency without the connection between the two. So I figured I need multiple ones, but they have to be in oscillation together to create the same effect that a Tesla coil would. Okay, so we're trying to get like an oscillating circuit onto our disc, and this is the way I figured I can do it. I can reinforce the frequency by adding the frequency. Okay, I can have the frequency in rotation. Okay, the RPM is the frequency. Okay, now I can get this thing to go. Okay, we can all debate about the math I used or anything else, but this is where I'm going, guys. I want frequency. I want to reinforce the frequency with the frequency I put in it, and I want an oscillating circuit. That's the path I'm going down. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. It's kind of a cool experiment. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.